Hello, my name is Nancy Brandis, and I'm the community leader for the Banana Republic stores in Chicago. Welcome to Where in the World is Frosty the Snowman Finding the Snowball Effect in the Chicago Banana Republic.
What the snowball effect, how the snowball effect has affected me. I think about the little ball that got me going, and that was my grandfather when I was at a very young age. He always took me to all the community involvement that he did, and it made me feel really good. And working at Banana has made it very easy with all the gap matching, dollar for dollar.
What's so great about the snowball effect is that it's all about the little things that you do, and it's all about how one person doesn't need to do much to create a snowball effect.